There's nothing in this world that's ours. Dark ocean with a tiny flame.
Hey, out here at Caprock Canyon State Park, about an hour away from Amarillo, north of Texas, with my dad. Hey, we're gonna be camping. So right now we're headed into the campground. It's about half a mile away from where we parked. Set up the tents and then keep going. Gonna hike hopefully 6 miles today. I think we could do it. Could be good options.
Take the long way home if it meant I'd go walking by your door. Together we could see where the road will lead to the unknown. There is no end if you believe. Just take my hand and come with me. Sun coming up, you make my world come alive. Oh, you know I can't get enough. You walking by my side. You are my sunshine.
Behind that little ridge right here, that's where we're at. You just climb that, and I got this for falling. Now we're gonna find the fern cave. All right, so we're literally trying to beat the clock right now because we only got that much sun left. And we're all the way up here. I'm trying to show you, if you can see right there, That's where our car is at. It's our truck chilling down there. And our campsite is over this ridge. We're gonna go check it out. All right, we are down there. So that means we have to get somewhere to there. Time's running out, the moon's out. And bye-bye to the sun. Here's where we're going. Down there. So we made it back to camp. Now, just waiting for the food to get done. Look at this guy. It'll be nice. Yeah. And then we're probably gonna go to bed soon. It's only like what, 6:30? 7? Yeah, it's really early. So we'll see how it goes. Good morning, everybody. Dude, it sucked. It was super windy last night and still kind of is. Check this sunrise out though. That was probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So it's around 9 o'clock, 8:55. Probably just grab our things and start packing it up and making our way back home. Definitely want to be able to come back, check this place out again. I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's crazy. Yeah.
We were leaving for the stratosphere. Easy breathing in your atmosphere.